Hi there, I'm Jackie King, and today I'm going to show you how to create a lead flow in HubSpot. To show you an example of a lead flow first, we'll go to our Bluleadz inbound marketing blog. If you scroll about 50% down the page, you'll notice this box pop up in the bottom left-hand corner. This is a lead flow to subscribe to our blog. So we'll click the Stay Informed and Subscribe button. I'll type in my email address, click Subscribe Now, and I'll get a quick thank you message. Thanks for subscribing. You will be an inbound marketing pro in no time. So now I'm subscribed to our email notifications. It's as simple as that. To set up your own lead flow, you're going to go to HubSpot, navigate to Content, and click on Lead Flows, which is the screen we're at now. Click Create New Lead Flow. The first thing you want to do is title your lead flow. For today's example, we'll just do another subscribe to blog lead flow like you just saw. There's 4 different options of lead flows. The first one is a pop-up box, which you're seeing right now. Second one is a drop-down banner, which will just show it at the top of your website. Third one is a slide-in box left, like we just saw on the Bluleadz blog. And the fourth one is a slide-in box right, which is the same, just on the opposite side of your screen. For today, we'll go ahead and do a little bit of a different one, and we'll do a pop-up box. So next we're going to go to call out. HubSpot gives you the option to upload a featured image. So if you're doing an ebook or webinar, infographic that you have an image, you can go ahead and upload your image under the featured image. Next is the call out text, which is going to be the big bold text that you see sign up for email updates. We can go ahead and leave that since we're going to do this for a blog subscription. We can go ahead and add any text here you want, like sign up now for instant email updates. The next is your call out button, which subscribe now, which also works out for what we're trying to accomplish. Last but not least is your theme color. You can choose some of these default colors they have or a custom color that matches your website. Next, you're going to go to form. Your form is the information that you want your visitors to fill out in order to, subscribe to the blog, download the guide, whatever it is that may be. For a blog subscription, we really just need email, so we'll just leave it as is, but you can add up to 4 different form fields in addition to email. You can keep your form button as it is as subscribe now, and you can go ahead and add the form body, sign up for instant updates now, whatever you had previously if you want as well. Next, you're going to go to thank you, which will just be a short and sweet message thanking your contacts for downloading your guide or subscribing to your blog. The next section is follow-up, which isn't ready yet from HubSpot, so this just says coming soon. The next section is options. So this is where you can choose options for your lead flow. You can choose your location if you want it on all pages of your website or pages that meet exact URLs. So if you just want your blog flow subscription lead flow to show up on your blog, you can just put your blog URL there. Just want it on your homepage, put your homepage URL there, etc. Flow triggers shows when the lead flow is going to show up. On our blog, the lead flow triggers on 50% page scroll, which is recommended for the type of lead flow we chose. For a pop-up lead flow, HubSpot recommends doing it on exit intent, which means when they notice that somebody's going to X out or leave your website, then the pop-up will show up. You can choose to turn off the lead flow for small screen sizes like an iPhone or something that might not be the best user experience. I typically will turn off the lead flow for small screen sizes to ensure visitors have the best experience possible. You can also choose if you want to have somebody notified when someone fills out the form. Typically, you don't need this for a blog subscription form, but for a guide or infographic or something like that, it's often helpful to have form notifications sent to someone internally. Last but not least is the preview. This is where it'll show you what your final lead flow is going to look like. You can test it out by clicking subscribe now, entering your email address, hitting subscribe, and your thank you email will pop up and hit close. It automatically shows you the example on desktop. You can choose to look at tablet, and if you so choose mobile as well. Last but not least, you can click save, and the last step will be to publish the lead flow so it'll be live on your site. And that's how you create a lead flow in HubSpot. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.